Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having an amazing week so far. This video is going to be about the 5 most important things that I've learned doing photography in 2019. So yeah, we haven't really had anything on this channel that's brought us into 2020 with a bang, but here we are. Oh yeah, 2020. So let's start off with number 1, and that is that improvement comes with time. Now, I know what you're saying, duh, if you do something for a long time, you're gonna improve. But even if you don't notice it in your photos, you are most likely improving if you've done photography for a while. I didn't notice how much I was improving until I scrolled back down my Instagram feed and saw the photos at the bottom and saw what they were like, and then the photos at the top, and how much they differ from each other in quality and just style as well. But I believe you're always improving, so don't put yourself down. Don't let it dishearten you if you think you're plateauing, because the chances are you just don't realize that you're actually getting better. Moving on to number 2. So number 2 on our list of the most important things that I've learned doing photography in 2019 is not every photo you take is gonna be amazing or is gonna be great, so don't get your expectations up while you're experimenting. This is something that I've experienced a lot because I love to come up with these wacky photo ideas that I think are gonna look really cool. And in my mind, visualizing them, they look freaking sick. But in reality, when I try them, some of them just don't work or work horribly, or you don't get the technique right. And that really disheartens you and just demotivates you for the entire day. It might not turn out how you want it to, and don't get disheartened by it, because you can always try again and you can always get it better. Moving on to number 3. And that is that photography, in my opinion, is 60% editing. Now, I know not everyone might agree with this, and I believe this is what holds a lot of people back from getting their photo from 80% to their 100% that they could with their photography. You might only need to edit it a small amount with the colors or the eyes or just the shadows, but it really makes the difference when you're looking at a photo that's edited well and one that isn't. There's a bunch of free apps out there that can edit as well as the paid ones. It's just about learning those free apps to help you edit your photo to the best that it can be. Shut up, bird. Moving on to number 4. Hey, now on to number 4, which is, you just get comfortable. Number 4, which is social media is your best friend. It's literally your best friend when you're a photographer. Whether that's helping you get feedback, interacting with other photographers, and especially Instagram, I believe, is a must-have for photography. You need to put your work out on Instagram because that is basically your portfolio nowadays. There's no more books or however they did the portfolio beforehand. I'm a Gen Zer, so I wouldn't know. Instagram is basically your portfolio nowadays. 70% of my photography work that I do is from Instagram DMs. It originates in Instagram's DMs. And that's from people who see my work on my Instagram at Kyffin, and then they go and just check it out, and if they like it, they will follow you or message you. They'll give you feedback on your photos and stuff like that. That is why social media, especially Instagram, is a must-have if you're a photographer. And that's something I've learned, and that's something I've started to do more because it's just great. Moving on to the 5th and final one. Now, for the final thing on our list of the most important things that I've learned doing photography in 2019, and that is that taste is subjective. Photo taste is subjective. Any taste in anything, food, music, movies, all subjective. Not everyone's gonna like your photos, not everyone's gonna like the style of your photos, but if you like it, you just gotta keep doing it, because if your work is good, at the end of the day, people are gonna like it and enjoy it. That's just what I believe with everything in life. Constructive feedback is a different thing, because that helps you, but if people just straight up say that they don't like your photography and your crap, stuff like that, people are gonna say that, so don't get disheartened when you start putting yourself out on social media and if people start saying that, because chances are you're gonna get equally or more support than you are gonna get hate. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome into 2020. I hope all of you have an amazing year, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep it up.